Robert. How are you, my friend, Chef Robert? How are you today?
I'm good.
What are you doing, man?
I'm doing fine.
You're doing fine? Okay. This is tomato and this is onion and okra. Peanut. Buddy, mainit pa din, mainit? Oh, yeah. This is Jakes. He is the master cooking. And apple tree is on the move. Oh. How are you, Mr. Survive? Okay? Alright na. Nantok. Raising our leaders. We're getting in tune. The music's played by the madman. Forever young. I want to be forever young. Do you really want to live forever? Forever. Forever. Forever young. I want to be. Okra. Charcoal na malupit. You want to live forever. Ulamak. Aray ko, putik na static yan. Barbican. At soft drinks. Grape. Crouch. I don't want to perish like a fleeing horse. Youth like diamonds in the sun. And diamonds are forever. So many adventures couldn't happen today. So many songs we forgot to play. So many dreams swinging out of the blue. We'll let them come true. Forever young. I want to be forever young. Survive Studio. Do you really want to live forever? Forever. Forever young. I want to be. Hey my friend, what are you eating there? Oh, you're eating some fish. I like it. Oh, it's Uncle Sam. Uncle Sam, how was your food?
Wala ka pang
Jake, are you okay, fine? Oh, Lagnat boy, how are you, man? Apple tree, pinagpapawisan tayo dyan ha. Mainit. Oh, oh. May ko na yan, may ko. Ah, yung kalapit. Survive. Alright. Up. Sabi mo sa charcoal mo ba de?
Maganda yung review nito.
Maganda ang review ni Jakes. Oh, Jakes, anong masasabi mo sa charcoal, Jakes?
10 out of 10 siya para sa akin.
Bibili tayo niya next camping.
Oh.
Si Jakes nakakanta. Jakes, what is your song you want to sing? Sige. Ikaw na, what song you want to sing? Wala. Celos. You Basel Valdez by Nan Perez. Sa'yo yan pre, it's very high notes. I cannot sing that. You can sing that. All right. Yeah. All right. Oh my God! Wow!
Huwag mong subukan. Masisira ang buhay mo.